What's up, YouTube? Back at it again with another video. Gonna make it dope for you. You already know what it is. Actually, I take that back. This one ain't gonna really be that dope. This is more of a kind of a blooper. As you can see, I'm in the whip right now. Just got out of work, looking busted and disgusted. But people say you gotta look good when you're making money, man. But anyway, man. Today's video is gonna be kind of a flashback, some stuff I didn't get to show y'all, stuff like that. But it went horrible. You know what I'm saying? It really did. Like, I had hopes, had dreams. I thought it was gonna be good. My bad. Camera. I'm trying to do all this and drive at the same time. Don't text and drive too. Let y'all know. But yeah, anyway, back to what I was saying before I got cut off by myself. It's just a little video. Went and experimented with Plasti dip. Y'all know, those that do know, that went back and watched my videos. It didn't last long. You know, the whole Plasti dip era. Wow, y'all finna see a murder. Cause they sure ran up on me. But yeah, oh man, I don't really know what else to tell y'all, man. Just be mindful that I was experimenting and stuff like that. So don't crucify me too bad. But I'm just gonna show y'all what it is. The end of the video kind of get cut off or whatever, so it's really not a good ending or whatever. But I made a new intro. It's kind of temporary. Hope y'all like it or whatever, as y'all can see. But I hope y'all like the video, man. Like I said, y'all like, share, comment, subscribe, browse, and just let me know what I need to do better or worse or whatever. If that made any sense. Probably didn't, but let me know. You know, give me some constructive criticism, man. Let me know what I can do to make the viewing more pleasurable for y'all, because I'll be watching, you know. So I know ain't nobody really watching but an average of 2 to 3 minutes. My videos is longer than 10 minutes. Most of them, majority of my videos longer than 10 minutes. So like I be telling y'all, man, y'all can sit the phone in the shower, put my playlist on, you know, and while you're in the shower or whatever, just have my stuff playing. You know, it go a long way. I sure appreciate it. But without further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all what to do, man. We out. Yep. YouTube. What it do? It's your boy with Muscle Addiction. Got a little project going on right now. Yesterday was my birthday. Didn't have too much of a exciting day, so I'm gonna make it exciting today. Gonna dip the back. Yep. I already got it partially masked off. Y'all see what I'm already going with. Keep y'all updated. Second coat done. Drying now. It's coming along. Give it about 10-15 minutes. About 100 degrees out. So it shouldn't take that long. There it is. I don't know what else. Eventually I'm gonna end up doing the roof. And try out one wheel. First coat on it. See how it go. Might try to put some stripes right there. Something like that. We'll see though.
Alright, I started kind of masking that off. See if it look right. It's like the second coating on this wheel. Here. You're gonna be able to tell the definition a little bit better whenever I can get through taking the masking tape off. But for right now, that's what we got. It's looking Daytona-ish. It's the other side. Hopefully it'll look halfway decent. Alright, everything dry. Gonna start with the first coat on this. Like the third on that, and like the fourth on that. I'm probably let that dry just a little bit longer. Alright. I think we're about on the fourth coat on the stripes. The test trial stripes. Rephrase that. And it looked pretty symmetrical from here. Not too shabby for not having something to go off of. Y'all see I got overspray. That's why it pays to do more than tape. I just had to do extra work. Alright, these two are done. We're gonna get ready for this little one can of clear I got. I'll come back later, put it on there, but I'm gonna have to distribute that one can for everything. So I made sure everything got nice and thick. Take these off. What y'all think, man? Chrome or what? I'm gonna come back through, spray that. I see. But yeah. Alright, y'all. Got this side down. Starting these two. Kind of like that gunmetal look. What y'all think about that? It'd be kind of clean. But I just hit that one more time with the clear. That's finna almost get ready to get pulled off. I'm about to trip. And I just touch it up a little bit. Should look okay. Hopefully. I'm gonna let y'all know it's blood, sweat, and tears that go into this, man. For real. But yeah, that's one side done, man. Yeah. So far, so good. Alright. All done. Mount it up, everything on the ground. Almost time to unveil. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna come back with y'all.